Hi guys, Lockie here from 782 Motors on the Gold Coast. Really excited to show you another car in our next stock drop today. This is a 1953 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. Now this is one of my personal favourite cars. I absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. The car was brought to Australia in 2009 out of the US. It's an original black paint, red trim car. It went to a company called Hills & Co in Taree, New South Wales, and the car got stripped to back to bare chassis and was a complete nut and bolt restoration. Everything on this car has been refurbished or is new. There's over 330,000 worth of receipt for the build of it. It's been converted to right-hand drive during the build, runs the original 330 cubic inch Cadillac V8. It's got an automatic transmission in it. Just absolutely gorgeous inside and out. Power windows, power top, everything works. You're going to want to see all the details on it. Head over to our website, www.782motors.com.au, and make sure you check it out.